Air Canada Rouge 1851 to Las Vegas. This cabin is checked in full. Thank you. Yamawa, initial R. McLean, initial T. Oldham, initial S. Osmond, initial E. Cedal, initial J. Swift, initial V. Please see me here at F61 with your boarding pass.
Watching the whole time.
Okay, thank you.